It's no secret that Facebook is an amazing platform for advertising in the digital age. Here are 7 of 7 Social's best tips for making your business's Facebook page a successful one.
Many well-intentioned business owners develop personal Facebook accounts for their brands rather than a Facebook business page. The last thing you want to do is make things more difficult for your consumers. A personal profile would require individuals to submit a friend request to interact with you. Moreover, with a personal profile page, you do not have access to the content creation tools, sponsored promotion opportunities, and analytics or insights that a Facebook business page provides. A profile image attracts the attention of consumers, clients, and business partners. It is an essential component of every Facebook profile. You should use a profile photo that is easily recognizable to your audiences, such as a business emblem or a headshot of yourself. Choose carefully since it will appear in search results, at the top of your Facebook page, and as the thumbnail image next to your posts in people's feeds. Remember that one of the main reasons potential customers will turn to your page is they want to know more about your business. Add your address if you run a company with a physical location. Additionally, indicate your business hours. Customers want to know when your company will open, especially during holidays and special events. If you do not update your company hours, your business may look closed and customers may be deterred from coming in. Be sure not to forget to add a CTA. A CTA, or call to action, is a command used in marketing efforts. It encourages visitors to a website or social media page to complete a desired activity, such as clicking a link or watching a video. It's a terrific approach for companies to increase website traffic or get more eyes on the Facebook content they're promoting. Important considerations for your Facebook content strategy should be the posting frequency and timing. If you don't post regularly enough, you won't seem as trustworthy or genuine. After all, how much confidence do you have in a company whose Facebook page hasn't been updated in many months? However, if you post too often, customers may tire of having their feeds overrun with your information. You should be like Robin Hood. When we say be like Robin Hood, we are not talking about being an outlaw. Rather, we are talking about his ability with a bow and arrow. Aim for your own bullseye, the perfect audience. Facebook makes it easy to do. Simply click the little bullseye icon at the bottom of the article you want to publish to select demographics for a chosen audience and one you believe may not be interested in seeing your material, so that the latter may be excluded. Let's face it, as a business leader, you have a lot on your plate. You want to do everything you can to ensure a flourishing social media presence. However, that takes time and commitment, 2 commodities you may not have the luxury of sparing. It also takes expertise and finesse. At 7 Social, we have years of combined experience in the marketing industry, and since we work with multiple clients across dozens of industries, we have seen what techniques and branding work best for your sector. We handle everything from page and content creation to ads and creatives, with packages starting as low as $995 per month.